Hi guys, this is Naima and welcome to Foxy. I'm back with another product review. So the thing with using a face mask, a face scrub or any product on your face or body that contains coffee is the best thing that you can do. Coffee packs are usually the ones that kind of plump up your skin. I recently worked on a DIY face mask in which I added coffee because it instantly plumps and boosts your skin. So I'm going to apply this face pack right here and tell you how I liked it. So this Nutty face pack has no parabens, no silicones, no sulfate. And the best part is that it is for all skin types. Like I mentioned earlier, coffee is the best thing that you can put on your skin if you want that instant plump. So I've left this on for 15 minutes and I'm going to remove it now with just some cotton. You can even use a wet towel. You see what I'm saying? This has left my skin feeling all plumpy and nice. This could be great before bedtime or any time of the day and you just need 15 minutes to kill. I would recommend using a wet towel because it's easier to remove and then maybe wash it off if you like. And then you can continue with your normal skincare routine. Also talking about the body scrub, it's literally almost the same thing and it consists of the same concoction, and this is something that you'll probably leave on for longer because you're applying it on your body. And face packs is something that you should do every 2 days. And like I mentioned before, it has no toxic or chemicals, made from natural coffee beans. I would also recommend something like this if you had to just get ready and didn't have time to go to the salon and do a facial. This could be your very in-house facial. I hope this video was helpful and this review was helpful. Do let me know if there's any particular product that you want me to review. You can follow me on Instagram as Makeup and Hair by Maliha. Thank you for watching. Maliha loves.